In this video, we're going to look at Audax Labs' AI capabilities. Specifically, we're going to look at three things: sentiment analysis, image analysis, and video analysis. So I'm going to jump straight into this, and I'm going to type in something nice, and I'm going to say today is a great day. And right away we get this API response which says, okay, the sentiment was positive on a scale of 0 to 1. It was 0.969, which is very positive, right? I'm going to try again, and this time I'm going to write something else, something negative. Let's say I hate this day, and let's see. And straight away we get the response and it says the sentiment score is 0.01, which is very low. Now use cases for this would be things like sentiment analysis for customer social network posts and so on, right? So, or customer complaints or emails and so on, and so you could do a sentiment analysis on that. The next one we're going to look at is image analysis, and I'm going to pick an image right here and upload this. In this case, we are able to identify that it's Albert Einstein, and the emotions in this image are neutral. Right? If there was racy or adult content, we would have identified that as well. And if this says review recommendation is false, that's because both of these are false, and also there are no terms that we are looking for. So we could be looking at things like, hey, I could say, hey, block all images with cats, for example. If someone wanted to do that, then all you had to do was specify the term cat, and any image with cat would automatically be recommended for review, and so we could design a workflow around that. Let me pick another image quickly just to and in this case we're able to identify that the person in this picture is happy, so the emotion is happiness, right? So we can identify brands, for example, logos and so on, and so there are plenty of use cases there. And the third one I'm going to look at is video indexer. We've already indexed certain videos. I'm going to pick one of those videos, and we're going to see how this works. Just give it a few seconds there. I'm going to pick this one, and I'm not going to let the video play through, but I'm just going to
Smalt automated promotion platform for your online business.
Hi, welcome to SpaceX. Here we are in the lobby. It's very
okay. So we are able to identify that there are people in this video. That this is an office we're talking about, and we're able to identify that there's a laptop within this video, there's a desk and so on. And again, what we can also identify is things like if there is a particular brand of something, right? It could be anything. So we would be able to identify those things as well. The other thing we can do is we can identify speech sentiment, right? So how negative is the overall video, how neutral, how positive. Now and we are able to identify specific points and timestamp them and say when was something negative or positive. The other thing that we can do is actually identify anything that appears here, right? So Elon Musk, SpaceX CDO, so this is what what was being said in the video, and things like this. There are minor errors that do creep in from time to time, but yeah. So we are able to do all of this. So we are able to do OCR, we are able to do speech to text and sentiment analysis within the video. Use cases for this could be again just identification, in the media space, identification of, hey, how long was a particular brand displayed in a video, or for, let's say, for city governments to analyze CCTV footage and so on. So yeah, those are the three use cases, or the three technology demonstrations for AI from Audax Labs. Thank you very much.